It's no secret that these days business is competitive. There are more people than ever before vying for your attention and trying to sell you their products or services. But it doesn't have to be hard, right? All you need is a little bit of know how so that you can stand out from the crowd and show them what makes you special. And with the help of this video tutorial on how to show your value using numbers and statistics, those prospects will see why they should choose you instead. So let's show you how easy it is. Social proof helps you gain the trust of potential buyers by showcasing your happy customers. One element that can make a huge difference in the effectiveness of your social proof content is data. When we see numbers or statistics quoted in a testimonial or endorsement, it tells us that the offer is legit. It also shows us more clearly what might happen to us as well. A great way to use numbers is to quote an actual amount of earnings. For example, in a testimonial, your customer might share how much they earned using your product or service. This has much more impact than simply saying that they earn more than before. The same goes for saving time. If a potential customer can see how many hours another person saved, it's easy for them to imagine themselves saving this time as well. Another great way to use numbers is to include a counter on your site that shows how much was sold, how many others have signed up or purchased, or how many people are actually looking at your site now. You can do this through a variety of website plugins and software programs. This shows that others have also taken you up on your offer. Even better, it shows that others are doing so right now, which adds a sense of urgency. What if you only have a few units sold or a few members joining your site? It's ultimately up to you which figures you choose, but remember that the whole purpose of social proof is to remove the doubts in a potential buyer's mind. If you only have 30 members who joined your site, that's 30 more than zero. It still demonstrates to someone that your site is worth joining. As with all social proof, make sure the numbers are real. Don't make claims that you can't back up. If you'd like more tips like this, consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.